Hi, konnichiwa. Welcome back to Gamer Channel. Today we will play deeply about the hybrid network. The world among top educational games. Cisco Packet Tracer was first developed and introduced by Cisco System in the early to mid 2000 as a network simulation and visualization tool primarily for educational purpose. Before anything else, no special instrument required. Furthermore, times for playing this game is free and flexible. In conclusion, gamer without being or lose, but self-satisfaction. Nowadays, network build better quality of living standard. If bank of network activity is terrible life, for example, enhance network in living facilities such as smart home system through online connectivity, also increasing the security protection for individual and family, and definitely you being able to troubleshoot your network problem. Right now, let us start to play the game at level 1. Set up a hybrid network. Since this is an easy level, you no need to have highly technical knowledge, but you can do it in few minutes. The example of level 1, create a hybrid network. Require 8 devices, which divide in two groups. Wire network group need 4 devices. They are a server, a printer, a laptop, and a switch. Whereas Wi-Fi network group need 4 devices, 3 number of smartphone, smartphone 0, smartphone 1, smartphone 2, and an access point. The next thing gamer must know was the last IP address for APIPA range 169.254.255.254, which need to assign at server 0, and also the second last IP at printer 0. Finally, when finished done, for checking and testing the design network, remember there are two scenarios: printing service and database center. Right now we in Cisco Packet Tracer app. We need to start at physical mode. So now we are located at virtual lab. Preparing furniture, choose a table, rack, and another additional two tables. The next thing mean we select the component or device need. And device, we choose server 0, put in the rack, printer on table, and laptop on the left side of table. Also, we need to select a switch. So go to the network device, switch, select PT switch, put on top. Then we need to select access point, again two, For this device, click on and select APIPT, and finally we select smartphone from end device. Totally we need three smartphones: smartphone 0, smartphone 1, and smartphone 2. Now all the device components ready in the virtual lab. We change to logical mode and arrange again the connection. Switch, server, laptop, and then printer. After finish, we arrange the component and devices. The coming step means we need to wire it. From the switch, choose fast Ethernet, connect to AP access point, and again from switch, fast Ethernet port 1 connected to server 0, fast Ethernet port, switch Ethernet to 1 connect to printer 0, and lastly from the switch port fast Ethernet 3.1 connect to laptop 0. And the coming step means we need to select the APIPA protocol using APIPA protocol range. For example, server 0, we select IP configuration using static configuration and put in the IP static 169.254.255.254. Doing the same thing for printer 0. Pass Ethernet 0, select static IP address and put in the APIPA range address 169.254.255.253. Second last IP address for APIPA. And finally go to the laptop 0, desktop IP configuration, select DHCP. Now laptop have 169.254.10.58. Again doing for smartphone 0, desktop IP configuration, they already have it. Smartphone 1, IP configuration with the IP address APIPA range 169.254.139.9, and lastly smartphone 2 to desktop IP configuration IP address mean 169.254.137.59. And the final step means checking. We can select add simple PDU, For scenario printing service, so we can using laptop 0 pin to printer 0 successful, laptop 0 destination printer 0 type ICMP, and then we doing the same thing for smartphone 0 pin to printer 0 also successful, smartphone 1 pin to printer 0 successful, and lastly smartphone 2 print to printer 0 successful. Then go to the next scenario for database center checking and testing. Still we are using add video, start from laptop 0 pin to server 0 successful. Then smartphone 0 pin to server 0 also successful. Smartphone 1 pin to server 0 successful, and finally smartphone 2 pin to server 0 successful. So now you are completed level 1 game. Thanks for watching.